Okay, so hi everyone. So today we'll see how to create a waterfall chart in Tableau. So basically, why it's called a waterfall chart is because it shows you the step-by-step increase or decrease in a for a particular metrics with respect to a dimension. Okay, so for example, if for a particular product, if you say how much is the increase or decrease in the profit with respect to time, right? So that we can basically analyze using a waterfall chart. Okay, so basically waterfall chart is the running total. You can also say it's like a running total of a matrix or a measure value against a dimension value. Okay, so saying that, let's start creating a waterfall chart. Okay. So first I will create a bar chart. That is the first step of creating a waterfall chart. So I will take subcategory and profit. Okay. So I have created this simple bar chart with for the subcategory with respect to the profit measure values. Okay. Now, second step is whichever measure value you are using to create the bar chart, you have to create a duplicate of the same measure value with a negative value. Okay, so for example, we have taken profit here, right? For creating this bar chart, what we will do, we'll create a duplicate of this measure value, profit copy, go to edit and add an negative sign in front of the profit. Okay, so basically it will give you the negate of profit value, right? And I will rename it to negative profit. Okay, now next step, you have to drag this profit into the size, the negative profit that you have just created, drag it into the size of the mark. Okay, so now you can see the size of each of these bar varies with respect to how much the profit is, right? Because we have dragged it this negate of profit into the size. Now the next step is to create a Gantt chart out of this. Okay, so I will again go to the marks and under the different graph type I will go and select the Gantt bar. Okay, so now we have this Gantt bar. Now the final step is to change the calculation or use the quick calculation of running total. Okay, so I will go to this profit in the row shelf, click on it, quick table calculation, running total, and that's it. Your waterfall chart is done. But still this is not giving very clear idea, so it's very important to give a color coding to a waterfall chart. So what I will do, I will again take profit and I will drag it into the color shelf. Okay, and I will change the color to red and green divergent. Okay, so yeah, it's already there. Okay, so now on each step, and yeah, and don't forget to remove this negative profit from the tooltip, because since you have added this negative profit into the size, it came into the tooltip. So remove this, and now you can see at each of this subcategory how much it is either adding or negating into the total profit. So here you can see for subcategory phone the profit is 44,000, but for subcategory tables there is a loss of 17,000. Okay, so basically this is giving you the total profit for each of the subcategories. One more thing you can do when you are when you are creating a waterfall chart is to include the total, or you can say the total profit bar as well. So what you can do, you can go to analysis tab, come to total and click on show row grand total. Okay, so now basically what this bar is showing, this is showing you the total profit and it is coming till here. So basically uh, your profit is started from 0, it goes all the way to 305k, and then because of these two losses it came all the way to 286k. So that what we can see here in the grand total bar. Okay. So yeah, so that is all about creating a waterfall chart. Let me know for any questions in the comment section and I will reply back to that. Thank you so much for watching.